What's up? I'm here with another video, and today we will be installing a Vantop. It's an H609 or something like that. It's a dash cam, but it's also comes with this camera you can put on the back of your car, and it sends the feed of the camera to the mirror that you put on. This is what the mirror looks like, and there's this front camera, can move in or out. The reason why I got this, one, I saw it on TikTok and I thought it was really cool, and two, actually there's three reasons. Two, I've always thought about, like, what if you could have your reverse cam on while driving to see what's behind you better than you can with your mirror. I didn't realize these existed. And number three, my soft top is messed up, so my rear window hangs down lower than it should, so I can't see out of my rear view mirror. So let's get to installing this, and should be an easy install. I've watched plenty of videos on how to put these in and what they do, because again, I think really cool, especially just tech stuff like this in general. So if you take a look at the mirror, looks like just a normal mirror. There's a power button on the bottom. There's the 3.5 jack for the camera. There is I don't know what this jack is, but it's like the GoPro. It looks like if you have a GoPro, it's like the same cord of that. That's what this power cable is, and it plugs into your cigarette lighter. Sorry about the weird angles. It's a Miata. There's not really much I can do. Oh, I can actually put it back there. Better angle. So, the mirror has these attachment points on the back of it, and it comes with different sized rubber thingies. Okay, they're not different sizes, they're all the same size, it just comes with two extras. Alright, so the way this goes on is you put it on, or probably be easier to put the top of the straps on first. You kind of just put them in there, pull it into the clip, and then put it on your mirror, pull these rubber pieces down, and there's the mirror in your car. No screws or tape or anything. It comes with two sticky pads and four screws. I'm guessing the screws are to put this into your bumper. It also comes with a cleaning cloth. Also a tool to put it, like, you know, into your headliner, but I don't really have one of those, so we'll see what we can do. See if we can put it under this plastic. I don't know. You know, while we're at it, I'm going to go ahead and run the wires from this back, since we're already in the, I was gonna say cockpit or cab, but what would you call put that down in the comments. What do you call, like, the inside of your car, apart from the inside of your car? Because, like, I know in a truck it's the cab. Would you call it, because it's a car, not a truck? Anyway, let's get to putting these wires in. One more thing, there's this red wire right here. It's to put into a reverse light sensor, but at the moment my reverse light sensor is broken because my transmission did the thing where it got stuck in reverse, and I had to take that out and I broke a wire. So we won't be using this red wire right here, but you can still run the black wire. You can run the red wire back with it, just so if you do want to use it in the future, or just so it's out of the way. If you don't plan on using it in the future, honestly, probably just cut it. I don't know, though. If you do that and it messes it up, don't blame me, because I've never done that. Okay, so the red wire you can just cut short, because it's already cut at the end. So, and it's only this long. The whole wire is a lot longer. Okay, so I'm going to cut the camera here because I need to charge my phone, and I'm going to run these wires all the way back and back to the car, or back to the back of the car, and I will meet you there This wire, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with yet because I have to go for my cigarette lighter, which is right under this. And I'm not sure. All right, so the camera wire is ran back. These sticky things, if you don't want to use the screws in your bumper, you can use just a sticky thing and stick it to your bumper. Here's our power cable. Take that wire, plug it in. Just for the meantime, I'm gonna run this cable just down straight to my cigarette lighter. I'm gonna either hide it or cut this off and wire it in later. There we go, it's all plugged in. Let me grab my key and turn on my car. Miata. Well, as you can see, there's time and stuff over here. It's touchscreen. Maybe if I go into settings, see, loop recording, I'm gonna do 5 minutes. Time lapse, I don't know what that is. Exposure, motion detection on, audio, and there's these, automatic shutdown, license plate number, you can put it on there. Key sound, boot sound, language, date, time, audio, automatic shutdown. So I guess I can't flip the camera, so I'm gonna have to go back there and move it. Gravity sensor, that's the gravity sensors. If you get hit, it saves it. Parking guard, you can put your license plate. Screen protector, I don't know what that is. Automatic shutdown, let's see, key sound, boot, English, there's date and time, I'll change that later. Summertime, format, oh, default settings, version, summertime. I'm gonna play with these settings and I'll be right back. All right, so I knew I said I'd come back when I finished tucking the wires. It is probably about a week later. At first, I didn't do this on purpose, and then I thought, well, let me wait a couple more days. Let me use this for a little while, and let me give you guys my honest opinion on it. And here's my honest opinion. So my honest opinion about the camera is go for it, because I've been using it for a week, and for the first couple of days, it was kind of weird. It kept shutting itself off and then turning back on every like 5 seconds. I put an SD card in it after that, and I turned my gravity sensor off or whatever it is to detect if you've been in a crash. It'll save it, because it was automatically saving every single one of the videos just because of how bumpy, I guess, my car rides and how bad the roads are. So it's not a 10 out of 10 product, but I think in my personal opinion, I'd give it probably a 7 out of 10, just because there's a couple little things that you could do better with it. But also, I bought the $80 one. There is also like $100 ones, $120 ones. I got the 1080p. There's like 2.5K and there's 4K versions of it. But I say go for it, and let me show you how I tucked my wires. If we get in the car, you can already see where my wires are. I tucked them up under this plastic, or I tried to at least. They like to fall out just because it's plastic, not carpet. And then I brought them over here, and I couldn't really get them under this. I might try and bring it back and wrap it under this weather, or put it under this weather stripping. But then I took these wires and ran them down the side right here. Sorry about the mud, it's stupid season outside. And I ran the wire going to the camera under this trim right here. And then I ran the wire going to this, because I haven't hardwired it. I have it coming down here. I put all the extra wire back into there so you can't really see it. And then I ran it under all this trim right here. That being said, if you want to go pick up one of the Vantop cameras, I say go for any of the other brands, because this isn't a sponsored video. I paid full price for that camera. They didn't send it to me or anything. I just bought it because I thought it was cool, and I thought I'd let you guys know how the camera works. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my Instagram, check out my TikTok, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.